Hi, E9. I hope you are doing well at home. Um, Today, I'm actually not feeling very well, and so instead of our normal live Adobe Connect lesson online, I have decided to record our lesson instead. Just a few announcements to start off with. You need to be checking Google Classroom daily for any announcements. I will also be uploading class notes, homework, and all the learning materials there. Now, like you are doing with all your other subjects, you need to be working on maths during our normal timetabled periods for maths. So, for example, today we have class period 3, and so you need to be logged on to Google Classroom at 11:05 a.m. and working on maths. Now, another thing is you need to be taking a photo of all your classwork and homework, and you need to upload it onto Google Classroom. Now, I've uploaded a video of how you do that on the post, and so you can check that out. And one last thing before we get into our lesson today, you need to make sure you're working steadily through your assignment, which is due next Friday. If you have any questions, you send me an email or you can leave a comment in Google Classroom.